Have you ever seen these? These are waffles, 6 Belgian waffles with butter. They're individually wrapped. I just came across these, at Walmart, and they're in the bread aisle. Just look on the bottom shelf. They're not really, or I think they're probably too expensive, but I wanted to try them, and they're really good. They're very, very sweet, so you don't need, because it says with pearl sugar, so it has some sugar bites in them or something. So anyway, I like to put them in the air fryer. They're really good, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to warm it up in a pan. I burned it a little bit. Makes it look like tic-tac-toe, and I won. Alright, I'm going to have this little waffle and my other half of my, I keep wanting to call it a tangerine. That would be a grapefruit, and with my tahini. Yep, that's what's for breakfast. Good morning. Wait, I already got my seatbelt on, huh, Sammy? Just letting the truck warm up. It's cold here. I think it was 41 degrees when I woke up this morning. Long sleeves. Yeah, my hands are cold. I need to dump and get water, but I think I'm going to do that after I come back. The winds are supposed to get pretty high today around noon. It's 8:30, 8:23 here now. So I'm going to go to that little town of Bleen. I don't know how you say it. Maybe I'll ask somebody when I'm there. And probably going to go to Walmart and Lowe's, since y'all saw that video yesterday of my price comparison. And I left my pocket notebook. Hi. Yes. And what do we need for you? We need turkey? Yeah. Gotta get her some food. Yeah, I thought I planned this trip coming here so I wouldn't have to go find a Walmart, but I really need to go find a Walmart because she needs food for the next week, which will probably be 2 cooks. Huh? Yes. I know. She says, I'm cold and I don't want to go. Can I stay here? Okay. So, let's get on the road. Let's see. Oh, I probably need to get gas. I hope they have a gas station here. Great. Alright. See where we end up. Hey, I'm at Lowe's. I'm gonna go here first in case they don't have what I need and get it at Walmart. Alright, these grapefruits are small. Texas, 79 cents. Maybe I'll get 2 of these. Alright, this is what I got from Lowe's. Pretty much everything I pointed out on yesterday's video. I got some Doritos, the shrimp fried rice, hot and spicy chicken ramen, 2 why do I keep wanting to call these? These are grapefruit. And the sausage, mac and cheese, the Kraft brand name, the mini peppers and the Diet Coke. And there's my coupons, $2.50, $2 off the Coke. And I ended up paying $17.93 for all that. So I'm gonna make some nachos out of this. So I've got one meal, and I'll probably put one of these in there with it, because I like Vienna sausages and mac and cheese, so I'll probably just put one of these in there. Got 6 other meals. Got some bread. I can make hot dogs. I got this was a meal. This is going to be a meal. So I'm going to get probably like, I don't know, 6 meals out of all this. A couple of nachos. That's 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And my breakfast. And then these I'll just snack to go along with everything else. But, all right. Wind's picking up. It's getting cloudy like it's going to rain. So I got to find me something to eat in this town. And I've got to head back before it gets really bad windy. And now I'm headed to Walmart. Well, that propane exchange was so easy. I've never done that before. I've done the exchange, but usually, you know, you have to go in and get them to come out and do all that. So this is a self-pay. And I've never done the self-pay exchange before. So that's pretty cool. Just put in your credit card. It asks you, well, it asked me this time that if I could reach the top door. So that's where I put my tank in, close the door, and then one down at the bottom popped open, and there was my new filled tank. That was so cool. And some people will argue that they're not filled all the way and all that. Well, if that's the case, I'm okay with it, because they're heavy for me anyway. And I have to lift it up over my head. And this one I was able to do pretty good. So there may be something to that. Might be not as full, but that's okay, because I didn't kill myself trying to lift it up there. But all right, I'm going to go get diesel and find me something to eat, hopefully, before I head back. So I am gonna eat today at Blake's Lotaburger. Hi, Sammy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know. Come here. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. I'm gonna unhook you though, and I need to roll down some windows. I've eaten at Blake's Lotaburger before, once, I think. And I wasn't that impressed, but I'm kind of craving a burger, so I'm gonna give it another shot, because there's a lot of these in New Mexico. So maybe the one I had just wasn't any good. So, and that was in Taos, I think. Not really sure now. Maybe I've had it twice. Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it turns out. Well, that's a big burger. I don't remember them being that big. Oh, looks good. I think I got green chilies on it. Oh, I didn't tell them no mustard. Dang it, I hate it when I do that. Well, how did I like Blake's Lotaburger? The same as I did last time I ate it. That's got to be the third or fourth time I've eaten it, and I'm just not impressed. Number one, I don't eat burgers out enough to remember to tell them no mustard. I love mustard, but I love mayonnaise better. Are y'all a mayonnaise or a mustard person on your burgers? Put it down in the comments below. Anyway, I got the Lotaburger with cheese, and I added the green chilies. To me, and I love a thin meat patty. Couldn't taste it. I mean, there was no taste to the meat patty. I love the big veggies. But the bread was too much. It was like I had too much bread for that big a burger. But anyway, didn't really like the bread that much. And if I had my choice, I'd rather eat at Sonic, Wendy's, Whataburger, McDonald's. I'd rather eat a McDonald's burger than a Lotaburger. Sorry, New Mexico. I love everything about you, but I just keep trying, but I'm just going to have to mark it off the list. And I thought, well, I'll go to this instead of Taco Bell, because Taco Bell was backed by Walmart. And I thought, no, I'll just do this. Maybe it'll be different. It wasn't. But yeah, I'd have rather had Taco Bell than this burger. But anyway, I wanted to just show you, I'm headed toward those mountains. I'm the rain clouds have kind of moved on. So I'm kind of heading that way, which is good. But I have about an hour drive to go, and it's supposed to be windy. Maybe it's not as windy now that the clouds have passed. Huh. Can I be so lucky? All right, let's get on the road. I was in the camper, and when I came out, this guy parked so close to me. Let's see, there's 2 parking places on that side. There's all those parking places over there. I was like, really, dude? Look at all the parking places over there. Look at this guy. He's gonna be nice and park way over there. Alright. Look at the rain on the mountains. Yep, I'm headed right for it. I'm trying to beat it too, because it's a dirt road and I don't want to get stuck. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get right in the middle of it. Maybe not. We'll see. See that sign right there? Road is impassable during inclement weather. Yeah. Because it's a dirt road.
Head south on County Road B062.
But I'm going to make it. I was going to dump and get water when I got back, but I don't think I'm going to do that now. Because it's starting to rain. Love a mountain shower, that's for sure. I would say that is sleet. It's hitting my windshield and hitting the hood of my truck. Let's see. I think it's sleeting. Yep, that would be sleet. Ooh. That's funny. I think we're gonna wait here for a minute, see if this lets up. What do you think, Sammy? It's sleeting. It is. You want to go out in it, don't you? Okay, that would be hail now. Oh, look. Wow. Crazy. I was gonna go dump and get water, but I don't think I'm going to. Oh, it's over. It just came and dumped and then quit. But it's cold out here now. I got my coat on. Whew. I keep thinking I might go dump. And there's blue skies. Crazy. Crazy weather. Burr. Wonder what the temperature is. I'm gonna look and put it in on the screen. Now the sun's out. It's been like 4 minutes since it dumped. And now the sun's out. I think I will go dump and get water now. So now I'm headed back down to dump and get water. Sun's out. Yeah. That's funny, isn't it? I don't even think they got hail up at this area. I don't see any on the ground. And now I'm filling up with water. I already dumped. So, we might get some more. It looks awful rainy. Look down the road. Yeah. We might get some more rain out of this yet. Which it won't be bad once I get set up back up at camp. Might have to turn on my heater. Well, it started back. I just got back from dumping and getting water, and my timing was perfect. Yeah, it started again. I still need to get Sammy out of the truck and move the chairs to the truck. All right, let me do that. It's weird too because it's soft. It's soft ice. It's soft ice snow. Maybe it's just big snowflakes. I don't know. It's really soft though. It's like snow. It doesn't hit me like it's ice. Not any hail that I've encountered. Maybe it's just big snowballs. We might have a white Christmas in May. I'm dreaming of a white Memorial Day. Ooh. Oh, here comes the sun. This is crazy weather, isn't it? Oh, and the wind. And the wind. I said I was gonna go, but it's still doing this, so I just thought I'll turn the camera back on. While it's doing this, I'm gonna call this video done so I can get it edited and uploaded for today. This is real time. Yeah, this is Monday. So let's see if I can get it uploaded and edited, uploaded, posted, and all that. So see y'all on the next one.